Back, crypto leverage trading, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here in the U.S. Really quick update on Bitcoin. Obviously, this is something you want to be aware of. Obviously, most of you are obviously in a sell down mode right now with Bitcoin, and it probably is best to sit tight and wait for your first 1 hour green or consecutive greens, because what we have here is a building level of short interest building of sellers trying to take Bitcoin out, okay? And this is how you start to see it, okay? You've got a declining RSI level here on the 4 hour, okay? But you can see here right now, I drew this line here on the chart just to illustrate you don't have anything below this line that's going to hold up Bitcoin, okay? And this line is about 300 points below where we are now, which isn't a lot for Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin could fall 300 points, okay, in the next 15 minutes tick. All right. I mean, that's just the reality of Bitcoin. But there is starting to be a southern wick here forming, which tells you there is some buyers down here at 41,600. Okay. But 41,400, okay, level is that prime. See that support down here? Okay. Take that all the way across. This stick right now on this 4 hour, okay, is approaching this line. The next 4 hour stick, okay, needs to reverse, okay? If it does not reverse and we get another red stick down, we're going to be below, most likely below this line, and you don't have support here till 36,700 for Bitcoin. That's just that reality. You're breaking the 7 and 21 day moving averages. I don't have the 50-day moving averages up here, but I'm assuming it's probably right in here, which would be another major bearish, okay, indication. Again, short term. These are short-term lines here, right? Okay? And so you need to pay attention to that. So if you're sell down, you want to hold your sell down until she turns off of this level, exit that trade, then maybe buy a buy-up trade or straddle trade. Okay, straddle would be keep your sell down as a hedge and then go ahead and put some money into a buy-up on leverage, lower leverage, okay, to play any kind of rebound. You'd still have your sell down open, but your sell down would still be in profit from this level, from up here at 44,000, right? And now we're down to the 41,700 level. Okay. So yes, as it moves higher, your sell down trade is going to lose P&L value, but you're still well into a profitable trade. And if that concerns you, you can just close your sell down out, take the profits and, sit back and let your buy up run. And that's how you want to hedge it. I mean, you certainly could just keep your sell down open if you basically don't have any confidence in it reversing here off of this trend or this trend line right here of support where we've got, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 times 32 hours of people buying up Bitcoin and holding it at that level. Okay. For it to break that level. Okay. So there's going to be a battle coming up, mates. That's all I can tell you. It's 1 o'clock. In the next 3 hours, there's going to be a battle on this line. And the question is, how are you going to plan for it? Hedge trade, straddle trade, again, because the averages are blown out. Okay? It's just a matter of whether or not you believe the support from buyers is going to come in at that level. So that is going to be a critical level for you to play. Remember, RSI is just above 30 right now. If it breaks that level and breaks that support, that RSI is going to fall well into the 20 level, okay? So for spot traders, long-term hodlers and spot traders, as soon as Bitcoin falls into that 25 to 28, RSI level, that's not a bad place. Not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. All the risk is yours, but that's not a bad place to accumulate portions of tokens, okay? Under that 30 RSI level, because that's an oversold level, okay? So that's not a bad idea. If you're going to hodl for the rest of the year and you're just going to accumulate some Bitcoin on the cheap, that's not a bad idea. And then DCA it all the way down before it starts to turn back up. So certainly there's another play, okay? There's so many methods you can employ, but I need for you to understand that this line here coming up is going to make or break Bitcoin for the next 24 hours going into this weekend. All right, mates.